Okay, so I am going to help you. I'm going to do one or two of these to help. So first things first, what you need to understand is we are going to start with this. Because we are subtracting, we have to have something to start with. So what this means is I need to shade 6 holes, and it's not going to be perfect because I am using my mouse. So 6 holes. That's 3 holes. 4 holes. So shade all 6 holes. Shade all of them. And then it says I have to have 4/5. So I'm going to shade 4/5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I shade that, that's 6 holes and 4/5. And then over here, we're going to, let me get a different color. Okay. I hit okay. Okay, there we go. It tells me I'm going to take away 4 holes and 2/5. So I'm going to cross out the 4 holes first, okay? I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4. Those no longer belong to me. Now I'm going to cross out 2/5 of what I have left. So I'm going to cross out 2/5. I'm going to use this one right here because those are still pieces. I don't want to get rid of my holes unless I have to. So I'm going to cross out 2/5. Well, here's 1 and here's 2. So what that leaves me with is 2 holes and 2/5 left over. Okay, so that's the answer for that one. Now let's start with the other one. Again, I'm using my mouse, so it's kind of weird, but I'm doing the best that I can. So let's clear this. Clear. Let's move it down here. If I move this here, come on, move for me. There we go. And I'm going to start with this. So this tells me I need to shade 6 holes. So I'm going to go ahead and shade 6 holes. Here's 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, 4 holes, 5 holes, 6 holes. So I've shaded 6 holes, and then I'm going to shade 4/5. Move this over here too. So I'm going to shade 4/5. I already shaded 6 holes. Now I'm going to shade 4 out of this 5 here. So when subtracting, we have to start with something. We cannot get rid of anything if we don't have something to get rid of, okay? So now we have our 6 and 4/5. Let's get rid of some stuff. It tells me I need to get rid of 2 holes, so that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to actually cross out 2 holes. There's 1 hole gone, 2 holes gone. And then it tells me I need to get rid of 1/5. I'm going to go down here to where I don't have a hole because I don't want to take anything away from any holes if I don't have to. I see here that I have a partial, only some of it is colored in. So that's what I'm going to take my pieces from. And it tells me I'm only going to need to take away 1/5. So I'm going to take away 1/5. That leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4 holes, and 1, 2, 3/5. So that's your answer for that one. All right, I'll do one more with you and then try the rest on your own. If you're still confused, on Monday when you come back, we can sit together at lunch and I'll go over them with you again, okay? So, again, in order to subtract, we have to start with something. So this tells me that I am going to start with 3 holes and 1/4. So 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, and then 1 out of 4. So I have to have something to start with. So I'm starting with 3 holes and 1/4. Now, since I have something I can take away, I'm going to take away some stuff. Erase. No. I am going to take away 1 hole. Take away 1 hole right here. Come on, right. 1 hole. What happened? It's still red. All right, I'm going to take away 1 hole. Oh, I'm an eraser, that's why. I'm going to take away 1 hole. Bye-bye. And 2/4. I'm going to take it. Oh, wait a minute. That set tells me I don't have 2/4 in this one. I can take away 1/4, but I don't have 2/4. So I'm going to have to go over here in this hole and take away from there. So what leaves me is 1 hole and 1, 2, 3/4. So the answer to 3/4 minus 1 and 2/4 is 1 and 3/4. All right, again, I hope that was helpful. If it wasn't, we can sit together at lunch on Monday and I'll give you just a private little lesson and maybe that'll help you then. All right, have a great weekend.